Hey, this is Naturally Big Hair. Today I'm going to show you how I do a turmeric mask. It is lovely for your face. It's good for you. It's all natural. And if you like facials like I do, check out the link in the description for my charcoal DIY charcoal mask. I use the charcoal and the gelatin. That's awesome too. But now it's time to get into the turmeric facial. It's awesome and natural. Yes. See you in a little while. Voila, ladies. This is it. This is going to make my skin so soft, clear up my splotches, and make it nice and smooth. Now don't forget, if you like to do masks, I have a charcoal mask facial, DIY, homemade, baby. I'll put the link in the description box. Charcoal mask.
A turmeric face mask is an excellent exfoliating agent and easy to make with just a few ingredients. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has the ability to block an enzyme that causes inflammation. It fights free radical damage and it can help with acne scarring. This is a home remedy for acne, dry skin, and dark circles under the eyes.
All natural. Okay guys, so I'm all done. I have this much left over, and yes, I'm gonna wrap it up, put some saran wrap over it and save it for next week because I will be using it again. And I'm gonna let this sit on my face now for about 15 minutes, and we'll see how soft my skin is and how clear it looks. All right, 15 minutes. Ciao. 15 minutes. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget, smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.